Hello and welcome to ghdrepair.co.uk. This is our video on showing you how to book a repair for your GHD hair straighteners. If they've just suddenly stopped working, no power, no heat, or even if you've dropped them and they've cracked or broken in some way. We can repair pretty much all the US straighteners, even the early ones back in the day, around the early 2000s, right up until some of the newer models as well. So anyway, I'll flick through the site. This is how you book it on a mobile, but it's a very similar process on your laptop and tablet. Okay, so as you see at the start, we've got our webpage at the top there, and the three bars, which is your menu. Which has got your home, how to book a repair, contact us, terms and conditions, frequently asked questions, our blog, and then our reviews. Okay, so I'll take you down the first page where it gives you a bit of an FIFO and Facebook information about our award-winning reviews and 5-star reviews. Okay, so this is how it works. You book your repair online, post your GHD off to us, we make the repair normally within 24 hours and send it back to you. Okay, so everything comes with a 6-month warranty by N Originals, that's our company, and we've been repairing GHDs for approximately 12 years and dealing in GHDs way before that. Okay, so this just takes you through. I won't read all the information, it's all there if you want to look into it a bit closer, but it's quick and easy, value, and the repairs are done by our professional electricians who are qualified, and all your GHDs will be fully inspected, tested, and given a PAT test certificate and come with 6-month warranty. Most of the GHDs are covered, like I said, from the early ones right up until some of the more recent ones. You will have to check on the website which exact ones we are currently repairing. We are in the process of working on a solution to the Platinum model. At the moment, the Eclipse model is the only one all repairers are struggling with, just with the complexity and the issues of that discontinued iron. Anyway, simple to book, so you can do that with the button there where it says book this now, or you can go right to the top into the menu as I've shown you before. At the top of the page there's also links to our Twitter, Google, Facebook, YouTube and Pinterest. Okay, so let's first of all show you how to book a repair. So you click on the menu item, which will load up, and as you can see on all the pages we have the FIFO reviews. This will show you previous customers evaluating our services, and at the moment they're all 5 stars, so that's good news. We have two services, the standard and the premium service. Okay, so the standard service will be for your electrical faults, so if they suddenly stop working for no reason, no heat, you're getting a bleeping or something like that, but they're not working properly, that would be a standard electrical repair. 24-hour repair time, return included, and 6 months warranty. So most of the time you'd select that. We would contact you if you needed a premium service. But if you know you've broken an arm on the straighteners, so they've snapped, broken, some of the plastic's gone, and that's the problem with these straighteners, you can book your premium repair there. Okay, so like I say, most of the services would be standard, so I'm going to click on the book this under the standard. That'll take you to our step-by-step guide in what you need to do. We recommend you use a padded envelope and use first-class recorded delivery within the UK, so you've got a signed for option. Below in step 2 we have the address you're sending that to, or if you're sending in a check or postal order, it says where to make it payable to. There is a form which you can click where it says if you have a printer, print out the form here, and you click on the here. That will bring up a PDF form to print out and just fill in. If you don't have a printer, not a problem. Simply write on a piece of paper your name, your address, a contact telephone number, and if you're paying online, you include the reference number from your payment. and simply do that. Okay, so that's everything you need to do. Click on Pay Now, and that will take you to the payments page, which is a standard form which you see on many websites. You can zoom in and out if you're on your mobile. It automatically defaults to the UK and Northern Ireland. So if you're in the UK, just keep on that. If you want to change it, just click on there and it'll give you options to use the service from outside the UK. You can also update the quantities, and that will take you through. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. And if you click on checkout at the bottom there, just on the bottom of the page, this will take you to your confirmation, and you can pay with a PayPal or any credit or debit card. Simple as that. I won't take you through that process. I'm sure you've all filled out online forms before. So I'm just going to go back to the home screen and go through some of these other menu items. So, okay, so you've got a contact us page, which got our address, telephone number and email address, and even our location. Okay, so you can see that there. So terms and conditions, so that gives you a full terms and conditions and information about our company. Okay, we get frequently asked questions, obviously, so have a look in there. All sorts of things. Can you repair my model? Can you repair fakes? Can you repair ones irons have been stood on or cracked? How long does a repair take and how much does it cost? So all your questions, all your common questions that we've been asked thousands of times are in there. We also have a blog. That's just a bit of some bits of informative information, a little bit on our Facebook page, a little bit of trivia and information, and also little tips for the trade, stop maybe damage happening to your straighteners again, and little travel tips and things like that. So we'll just go on to there. Again, under there, you've got your reviews page. I'll tell you, the Facebook page is very similar, but that links to our Facebook page. But these are customers, as you can see on FIFO, which is an industry standard independent feedback score. And so far we're on 5 stars, 100%, 5.0 out of 5 from 1,055 previous customers. So all good there. That just gives you the knowledge that we've got trusted customers who've used us in the past and endorse us. So you know you're sending off your £100 expensive hair straighteners to us. They're in safe hands and we'll look after them, and we've been here for a long while. Any problems with that? No problem at all. We'll just scroll to the bottom here. We have some common questions at the bottom of the page there, but there you can see our Gold Trusted Service Award by FIFO and our 5-star Facebook reviews. So please do check those out. But any more questions, please put them in the comments. Please visit our website, and you can email us or give us a call from there. No problem at all. And we look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.